G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of the Kendall Forge. Today, not a lot's going to be happening. I am going to be doing a bit of forging. We're going to be working on a project that I've been working on for a while. It's basically wheat sheaths. So yeah, we'll get cracking onto that soon. I'll just give you a quick rundown on what it is. It's basically just a round type sculpture, if you will. How can I just show you? That'll work. This is the sculpture, ladies and gentlemen. We've bashed these out, put a bit of texture into them, make them look like a bit of a wheat head. And this is what we're going to be working on today, is these leaves that go onto the stems. Overall, it's starting to look alright. Looks a bit lightweight. You know, got to have an open mind for these things. So, you know, put your input in the comments so I can see what you think. Any suggestions is greatly appreciated as well. So yeah, we'll get cracking onto it, eh? What do you reckon? Let's light the forge. Forge is lit. Let's get cracking. Okay, now while we're waiting for that steel to heat up, just so I thank today's sponsor, me. Anywho's, today, as I said, simple day, a little bit of forging, just working on a project. So yeah, let's fast forward and crack onto it, I guess, eh? What do you reckon? Right, so what we've been forging out are those leaves, like this. Tapering them out, putting a bit of a curve on the bottom so it fits over the rod. Anyway, it's not quite finished, still got to do a bit of a curve and everything, but just so you viewers know, that's what it started out as. 12mm round rod, about 100mm long, thereabouts, give or take. Probably give about 120mm long. And as you can tell, it does extend quite a bit. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Done. Right, we've been doing some forging. Nice and hot in the shed. It's probably about, what, 48 degrees, I reckon, somewhere around there. Haven't got a thermometer, so, oh well. Anyways, it's getting a bit warm, so we're going to move on to something else. A bit cooler, you know, bit of welding maybe, bit of grinding. Don't know. Stay tuned to find out. So I've had a bit of a break, just to cool down a bit. And I thought, well, why don't I just clean up my workshop? Like, seriously, you should look at this. Workshop is a mess. I have things everywhere. It is chaotic. Like, seriously, the only clean part is my forge, the floor to my anvil, and to my leg vise. Like, seriously, it is ridiculous. We're going to clean up a bit, organise the place, might even come up with a few ideas to make a few storage places, you know, shelving, benches. It's not a bad idea. Let's get cracking. So, I walked over to my coffee cup. Guess what? It's empty. Coffee time. All good. Now that we got coffee, we're good to go back to work. Take one last look at this bench. It's very messy, very unorganised, very unprofessional. Let's get cleaning. Where to start? Someplace, I guess. Let's go. What do you reckon? Hooks or shelf? Leave it in the comments. There's a fly on the camera. There is a fly on the camera. Like, seriously. Only in Australia, right? Anyways, leave it in the comments. Hooks or shelves at the bench. Hang the angle grinder, sit it on a shelf. Give us your ideas. At the moment, I'm probably just going to sit it on another shelf, bench, or something. My workshop sucks at the moment. Let's keep going. Just came up with a better idea. I have a certain little spot that I put all my cutting discs and wheels. Up there. Perfect. What do you reckon? Once again, hang it or sit it. Leave it in the comments. Love to hear your feedback. Why is the kid's hammer on my bench? Yes, I have kids. I work from home. Family man. I've had this toolbox for just on 15 years and I still get lost in it. So Jess thought I'd done a brilliant job cleaning off this bench. Got all the crap off it. Actually looks quite organised. Now she's saying she wants to do something. So, okay, I'll let her do something. You still missed the spot. You still missed the spot. I love giving her hell sometimes. Now she's telling me to go screw myself. It looks very good, thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome.
Wondering why I allowed her to just sweep it straight onto the floor? Dirt floor. Everywhere you look, dirt floor. We're just contributing. There are some potholes in this floor, so we're basically using whatever we can get off the benches to fill them in. Gotta do something. Coffee. Alright, back to work. Onto the worst bench of all. Like, really bad bench. I don't think I can even see any of the bench. Oh wait, hang on. There's a bit right there. Just there. And a bit there. The rest is just... Nah, we won't even go there. So, let's get onto it. It's been about 8 minutes cleaning this bench so far. I found a lot of tools. My respirator. If you're wondering what all that chain is up there, eventually I'm going to try some Damascus, or as they call it, pattern welded steel. Still got a lot of scrap metal on there. I have no idea why I accumulate so much scrap metal. Who knows? It's a workshop. It's meant to be dirty, but not this dirty. Like, seriously, I'm just slack. Good thing I've got you guys to keep me honest, though. string. If you're working as a blacksmith or any kind of metal fabricator, sometimes when you're making something that's curved or whatever, string. No joke, it works. Outline the work with the string, pull string away, measure the string, you got your measurement. Then it's just a matter of getting the curve right. Good tip. So, we're making progress. Good progress. Look at that. All that bench top. All that bench top. It is magical. Technical difficulties. Now that we've got the camera remounted, let's try that again. Oh, alrighty, there we have it. All done. What's the time? It's 4:15 PM here. Workshop closes at 5. So, I don't know. What do we do? Might have an early day. Okay viewers, so here we are, end of the day. It's been a long day. We've done forging, we've done some cleaning. You know, said we'd do some forging. We did a bit of forging. It got hot. As I said before, it's middle of summer. Can't expect a lot of forging. But we try. So anyways, but we cleaned 2 benches. Cheers for that. Keeping me honest. Yeah. As I was saying before, chuck it down in the comments. We need help with ideas on storage for some tools, stuff like that. So, you know, bench them, shelf them, hang them. Give us some ideas. Spitball it. You know, any help is appreciated. We're still starting out, so, you know, yeah, still learning. A lot of learning, especially on filming. As you can tell, it's probably not the best. A few bloopers, stuff like that. Hey, it's all fun. But still, at the end of the day, we're here to have fun. We're here to learn. So, once again, chuck them down in the comments. Happy to hear from you. So, yeah, hope to see you again soon. If you liked the video, hit the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up. And yeah, we'll catch you on the next video. Cheers!